to
Yeah,
you. Good evening to you, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. You tell me what about you?
Yes, I'm fantastic. Thank you for asking. So, today let's discuss importance of money. Okay?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure, sure.
So, I have one question about importance of money. That how much money is important in our life?
How much? I would say there is no limit.
Yeah.
There is no limit. It's limitless. If we are like earning more money, we can spend and
Yes.
we can buy anything if we have a lot of money. Okay, so from the beginning, I will speak about that. I will be speaking about that. Basically, the thing is that it plays a very huge role, very crucial role. Money plays a crucial role in our life, and yes, without money, we cannot imagine our life. We cannot survive. Basically, we cannot survive. And the other thing is that if one person is not having money, either either he die or he suffers more, right? So it's very normal thing. We all understand. We know the value of money in our life, and if
Yes.
we need to buy at least a tiny needle, then we
Mm-hmm.
need first of all money, some
Yes,
rupees we need.
yes, yes, I totally agree with you because nowadays country is developing day by day, and all the machines are coming to comfortable to give us comfortable in our daily life. But I
Yeah,
can say we can spend our life without money. Why?
yeah,
Because when we were ancestor, our forefather, they were
forefather.
no have money, but they used to live, right, by using
Yeah,
natural things. But nowadays people, they are encouraging, like they are willing person, they want good facilities in their life. That's why
yeah.
money is important. If person, they don't want to achieve anything, and if they don't want to get anything in their life, so for them money is no important for them, that type of person.
On the contrary of this fact, whatever you are telling, I want to tell you, I want to just put my thoughts about this. First of all, no one can imagine their life, own
Yes,
life without money. Not all, I would say to fulfill our basic needs like
yes,
roti, kapra, makan, like this.
yes,
In our Hindi, it's a
yes.
saying, okay, to fulfill our basic needs, definitely we need money. And to fulfill our, we need some comfort in our life. We need some kind of
Mhm.
prosperity in our life. We must need money. And for this, we need to go
Yes,
out, do some kind of jobs or initiate any kind of business, commence any business so that we can, we can get money by that.
mhm.
Okay, we can
Yes,
earn money. And yes, as you told that earlier that about forefathers, so yeah, there was a time in ancient time, there used to be
yes,
a time like a barter system was being occurred that time, one person needs any kind of, let's say, grains, and the other
yes,
person needs vegetables, so they both of them they exchange together, and
yes,
that's how
yes.
they were living their life. But now in this scenario it's totally different, totally other way around. We cannot do
Mhm.
such things each and every moment we need money to fulfill our demands, not our demands,
Yes,
our kids demands. And we
yes,
most of the time we make sure that the facilities, the things, the food, the delicious, so scrumptious food we didn't have earlier, like when we were a child. So we
yes, yes,
provide all the things to our kids, and for this
yes,
we need
yes.
money. Basically we
Yeah.
need money for that to replenish all the demands. We need money for that. And that's how people are as a parent we do a lot of sacrifices, we make a lot of sacrifices, we go out and do work. We make
Mhm.
sometimes double work, sometimes we do double work. Okay,
Yes,
double shift we do. So yeah, and as a women we are taking care of the child, and some ladies are working, they are also doing. Why? Because they need money so that they can fulfill the demands of not their kids, of themselves as well, so that when it comes to like get something, let's say to get enrolled in any particular school or college, we need money. To
Yes,
go to the
yeah,
hospital, we need money.
yeah, in
in
every place we need
in
money.
yeah, in every aspects of life we need money to fulfill all the demands, all the needs, basically the necessity, I would say. And if we like, let's say I need a luxurious car, a bungalow, at the same
Yes,
point, if I am having this much money, then I can buy, then I can afford, right? And yeah, but money plays a very crucial role, as I told you. But the thing is, there's a different thing which is called love and care. We cannot buy love and care. We cannot sell
no.
love and care. We can inwardly, these are the feelings, emotions, okay, the two things totally different. Like one
Mm-hmm.
needs money, then definitely he'll have to get that money anyhow. And one needs care, that at some moment definitely he need the same care, the very care, the very love at the same time. So two things
Mm-hmm.
totally different. We cannot rank two of the things at the same scale, right? But yeah, both of the
Yes,
things are very needed in our life, like inwardly, let's say love, care, emotions, uh,
yes,
compassion, okay, a lot of things, a lot of feelings, I would say. And outwardly,
yeah,
if I say, like all the materialistic thing we can
yes,
buy, but not love, not care, we cannot buy those things. So two
yes,
things are totally different. But yeah, love and care plays a very different and very huge role in our life. One person having a lot of money, he's so much wealthy, so much rich, so much well off,
yes,
but he's not having the like the relatives, their like close ones. And he's like
yes,
that moment he's kind of very feel like very voidness, very emptiness. Why? Because he's not getting the love, even if he's
yes,
like at his peak, okay, but he's
right,
not getting the love, the care, the feelings. Okay, so this is
yes,
also a very crucial thing in our life. It plays a very vital role. Two things
Mhm.
totally different, but both of the things are very important in our life. Yeah.
Right, right. Yeah, ma'am, it's true because you said well. And yes, I have one question for you, that if you get more and more money in your life, so what would you do?
What I do,
Oh, yeah, what
basically,
would you do?
yeah, basically I would love to share this, that I think a couple of years ago I heard a news. Okay, I'm telling you all the things wholeheartedly, because when I start pondering this, I feel like very I start feeling goosebumps. Because
Mm-hmm.
I think couple of years back I heard in news that there are a lot of kids, students from I think from the government school, they died because of the food was stale, food was kind of contaminated.
Okay.
It was totally stale, totally stinking. It was, and because of
Mm.
that food, stale food, the food was, I don't know. I don't have any clue about that particular thing because it's been years. And then I was like, when I heard this news, and many kids, students, very small students, they died because of that, due to that. So I was like, I wish I could anyhow help them. I wish I could do something for them, like to make food for them. Because I
Mm.
also have the hobby of making foods. I'm very fond of making foods and all. I'm very
Okay.
fond of cooking, basically. Yeah. So I was like, that moment I was like, I wish I could do something for those kids. Like I wish I could make the food with the cleanliness, with the
Mhm.
sanitation. So
Yeah. So
definitely
this
I'll do
news,
something for such kids, such kids,
yeah,
if I
yeah,
get
yeah.
more
This
money.
news, yeah. Sorry to interrupt you. This news is about government schools,
Yeah,
like
government
mills.
school. I see. This time I don't have any clue.
Okay.
I'm totally blank this time about the particular thing I heard. But yeah, it touched my heart actually. Couple of years
Yeah.
back, this thing occurred, but I was like kind of shocking. And I was like,
Mm.
very, that moment I was mourning for that kids. I was kind of wailing that moment,
Mm.
why this kind of thing happened with those very very small kids they were. And I was like, I was like feeling very bad for them. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, you can do. I wish that you get more and more money so that can you do for that needy
Such kids,
people.
yeah,
And
definitely.
yeah,
I will say that I it's not about, it's not the matter of money. It's the matter of physically you are doing something manually. You are like manually, I need to cook food. Okay, so I'm totally ready even if I feel sometimes fatigue because of performing all the household chores all alone. Even though I feel like sometimes if it is needed, definitely I would like to do something like that. Some kind of help, assistance, definitely I will be providing to such kids. Yeah.
yeah. Okay, so I ask again and again question. If you have any questions, so you can ask.
Yeah, you tell me. I'm throwing the same question to you. What would you do if you get so
Yeah.
much money?
Yes, if I get so much money, so definitely I want to help to needy person, because I am a kind of person that if I saw somebody that they are needy person, and I feel like no, I have to do. If I can do for them, so I try to give them help. Yes, I also do this thing. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Nice, nice. So yeah, we all see what I actually I wanted to say something. Yeah, we all know the value of money, right? And if I tell you about my my experience, like my childhood experience, when I was like 7 or 8 years old, I knew the value of money. I knew the what is 1 rupee worth,
Yeah.
like,
Okay.
yeah, 1 rupee when I was like
Okay.
7 or 8 years old, and when I was, so I knew. So I that moment, my father was a doctor, not like
Mhm.
MBBS doctor, but he was a doctor. He had a clinic. Okay,
Okay.
so it's like I never ever demanded money like I need one rupee, 2 rupee, no, because I knew there are a lot of kind of expenses we had. So I was like a different kind of person I used to be earlier,
Mhm.
and I would not say I have changed. No, I am also still I am the same person. I am so
Okay.
much compassionate to not just in my kids or my family or my relatives. Whenever I see somebody like who is troubling and who is kind of suffering from any trouble, so definitely I would like to help such people. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye bye. It was very nice talking with you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay then. Bye bye. Take care.
And I always watching your videos.
Oh, yeah, and you commented on many videos.
Yes.
So I really appreciate that and thank you for that.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. Bye.